Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hansen Pretty. On this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to recover a TikTok account without phone number or password. So if you lost your TikTok account and you want to recover it and you've forgotten your password, this video is for you. All you need to do is to go to your profile. You can see the profile icon on the bottom of your screen. And you click on use phone number, email or username. And slide to email or username. Make sure the Gmail account you type on this is saved on your device. Make sure the Gmail account is saved on your device. So let me quickly type my account. Then continue. As you can see now, TikTok already sent me the code. All I have to do now is to type the code in the space left for me there. So I will type this code in the space provided. So guys, as you can see now, this my account is now back. So if you found this video useful, please do well to click the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.